Hey everybody, love, peace, and happiness here, bringing to you a simple hack for removing hairspray buildup, any kind of buildup you have on your hair that will cause your hair to be dull and lifeless over time. I think that this method is simple yet effective. And here is what you will need. A bowl, nothing fancy. I just use a color mixing bowl to put my mixture in. You could use a brush to apply your mixture with, or you can just use your hands, either or. I purchased my products at Sally's Beauty Supply. And now, drum roll please, for the main attraction. Here are the ingredients you will need. You could use a clarifying shampoo with this mixture, or just any shampoo will work. Here is the key player to our solution, any kind of baking soda you can get your hands on. Mix 1 tablespoon, give or take, you can eyeball it. Mix the baking soda with enough shampoo to coat your hair. And now you want to shampoo that hair beautiful. Leave it on for 5 minutes or so. And you want to rinse it out very well. I like to limit my use for a clarifying shampoo like this to as needed. I usually do mine 2 to 3 times a year, and that works great. Thank you for watching. Love, peace, and happiness. Happy 2018. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I do some fun wig try-ons / hair toppers. And join in on the fun.